The eighth in our tutorial series in Photoshop, let's go over how to create a great glowing text effect and build on our previous tutorial of the text tool. Here we have our text. To create a great look for our text and have it stand out on our image, let's go into the layer blending modes. You might remember these modes from a previous tutorial. Right-click the text layer and select Blending Options. To create a great glowing effect, let's start by giving the text a great outer glow by starting with Outer Glow. Checkmark this option and you can see the options window for the blending mode. Change the opacity how you like it, and you can also change the spread and the size of the glow. Do this as you see fit. Make sure your glow isn't the same as your text, otherwise it'll get lost in the text itself. From there, we'll make an inner glow now to set it apart from the outer glow. Click Inner Glow. This will set the blend mode to screen, but change it to normal so we can see the glow effect on the text. Set the color to blue, then set the size of the glow until you can see it make the text sort of cloudy. That will give us the effect we're looking for. After this, you can apply a drop shadow if you like, or use the gradient overlay to get even more finer control over the text's colors. Doing this will make your text stand out more than usual, and of course, tweak it how you like it or how any client or product needs. Have fun!